Grant Mckay here, one of the volunteers with the Ontario Regiment Museum. I help look after our fleet of 3 Chieftains, and as you can probably tell, I'm standing in the engine compartment of our Mark 11. We had a few issues with the engine. We had a starter problem and some cable problems and some leaks, so we actually took the engine out quite a while ago. In the process of doing that, when the engine was out, we noticed that the steering brake rotors that are on the gearbox, which is also not here now, they were cracked. So we pulled the gearbox, we've replaced those brake rotors, and the gearbox is pretty much ready to go back in. There wasn't anything wrong with it other than that. So there's a few years of oil, dirt, and various other things which I'm cleaning out using an ice cream scoop of all things, because that's how thick it was. So I just wanted to clean this out. We'll get it in a little better shape before we put the gearbox in, which hopefully will be pretty soon. And then the engine is looking in good shape, so we can get everything back together and get this thing ready for tank season. And other than that, this tank is in good shape and should be ready to go once we get all these major components in.